In 2024, a major electronics manufacturer cut downtime by 90% using an AI that thinks and acts independently. That case study became the blueprint. It's not just automating tasks, it's orchestrating entire production lines, making split-second choices humans could never process. This is the Agentic AI revolution. We'll reveal the unseen conductor model, showing how such systems achieve superhuman coordination with zero human intervention. We start on the factory floor. A robotic arm welds a seam with perfect precision. Another sorts components at blinding speed. Each sorted part is a physical receipt for 1,000 invisible calculations. But rewind a single second. Before that weld, 1,000 invisible calculations fired. Before that sort, a cascade of micro-decisions resolved. The true factory is a silent storm of logic, operating beneath the steel. Imagine this factory not as steel and circuits, but as a living organism. Its nervous system is a web of AI agents, each a tiny brain, a ganglion. They don't wait for orders from a central command. One ganglion senses a temperature spike in a motor and throttles power locally. Another feels a vibration in a conveyor and reroutes a pallet. Each makes 1,000 micro-decisions per second, right where it's needed. This isn't a hierarchy, it's a hive mind. Data pulses through this network like electrical signals in a nerve bundle. The factory breathes, adapts, and heals itself in real time. Now, a jammed conveyor belt grinds to a halt. A sensor blinks red. In the past, this meant a full stop, a human crew, a costly delay. Now, the agents negotiate. The moment the jam registers, 1,000 digital ghosts of the factory spring to life. Simulations running forward in time at impossible speed. One tries reversing the belt. Another reroutes all upstream traffic. A third calculates a precise robotic nudge. They test and adapt in a silent storm of logic. The winning solution, clearing the jam in 0.8 seconds without stopping any other process, is chosen. The physical arm executes the nudge, the line flows. This is preemptive resolution, a conversation with reality held in the space between a problem and its solution. This mastery sets the stage for a new partnership. The human role has fundamentally transformed. We no longer stand at the controls, flipping switches. Instead, we are the architects of intent. Engineers define the core objectives, the ethical boundaries, the very purpose of the production line. They set the destination, the why. The AI is the pilot, navigating the infinite real-time how. A manager watches a dashboard not to approve actions, but to monitor alignment with our values. This is stewardship, not command. We provide the compass. The system charts the course through a sea of variables at a speed we can only witness. We have moved from operators to orchestrators. The factory floor breathes and heals itself. 1,000 agents in constant silent conversation. This is not the future of manufacturing. It is the present, where our intent guides a system that executes with a precision and speed we can only witness. If you want to see the specific AI tools we use to map this workflow, check the link in our description to join our industrial tech newsletter.